Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use CapCut to make a super simple and easy to make a house tour, and you can make it all with your phone and you can make it right there while you're at the house. It's very easy, so let's jump into it. This is what it's going to look like when you're done, and this was a really nice new construction house. So as you can see, it's very easy, it's very quick, and all you have to do is just run around a listing, whether you're showing it, make sure you have the listing agent's permission, or one of your listings, whatever it is. Go grab a couple different shots. I think there's 9 or 10 in this one, but get it walking through, pan left to right, pan right to left, do a couple tilts up and down, get a variety of shots, and then just hop back in here, and then you're gonna take these off your phone, and you're going to come into CapCut, and there's tons of these templates, and you're going to pick out your template, and this is what this one looks like. And then you're just going to click Use Template, and then select your clips. It's super easy, and you guys know how to select clips. Let's jump through this almost to the end. And one thing you do want to do is make sure you have continuity and kind of like show from one room to the next. So we go to living room, to the kitchen, back into the kitchen, the master closet, the master bath, master bedroom, and then out to here. So it's kind of got some continuity. It's not necessary. It's not going to be huge, but do recommend that. Then you can edit your text. Just grab each piece of text, edit it, move it around. And then when you're done, just click Export up here at the top, save to your device, and you're ready to publish to any social media outlet. Obviously this is vertical, so it's going to work well on Reels, TikTok, Facebook Reels. And one thing you do want to make sure you do is make sure you've got a call to action in your text. You could throw the call to action in here instead of the property details. You could say, shoot me a DM, click link in bio for listing, call me, here's my number, whatever it is. You have to tell your audience something to do so you have some action that comes out of it. But I love these. They're extremely easy to do, and you can do it on site, on your phone, like I've said already. And great way to keep your social media pumped up and active. So if you enjoyed this video, click the link down below and join our newsletter so you can get great ideas like these delivered to your inbox for free every single week. Going to send them out on Monday, packed with great ideas, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video or the next episode? We'll call it episode. The next version of the newsletter. Thanks for watching, guys.